Hi guys, so I wanted to make a video with this word problem. So we've got two trains leaving Cleveland at the same time. One train travel is east and one train is traveling west. So I've got a little picture over here on the left hand of the screen so you can see train started in Cleveland and I've got them going opposite directions. They left at the same time. The speed of the westbound train is 3 miles greater than the speed of the eastbound train. After 3 hours, they are 504 miles apart. Find the rate of each train. Assume that the trains travel in a straight line directly opposite directions. We have to assume that because if not, the problem would become more complicated. And so let's first look at this third sentence. One speed of the westbound train is 3 miles greater than the speed of the eastbound train. Now, before I can set up any equations, I need some variables. So I told you guys in the previous videos, whatever that first one is, let that be x, second one be y. So I would write down on my paper, x is the speed of the westbound train, y is the speed of the eastbound train. So now that I have that, let's go back to my sentence that I've highlighted. The speed of the westbound, which is x, is 3 miles greater than the speed of the eastbound. Why? Well, 3 miles greater is going to be a plus 3, and so x is going to equal y plus 3. So that is going to be my first equation. The speed of the westbound train is 3 miles greater than the speed of the eastbound train. X equals y plus 3, or 3 plus y. The second sentence is where my second equation is going to come from. After 3 hours, they are 504 miles apart. Now, we have to use this equation, distance equals rate times time. And the reason I need that is because I can relate these two with this distance of 504 miles per hour. So I've got 504 is my distance. Now those two rates and times better be, when I add them together, they better give me 504 distance apart. So after 3 hours is going to be a t equals 3. So I've got the time, 3, times the rate, which just means speed, and the rate is x, plus 3 times the other rate, which is speed, y. So my second equation is going to be 3x plus 3y equals 504. And I'm using this distance equals rate times time. Now I'm going to put those two equations. The easiest way is going to be to solve this by substitution. So I would recommend pausing the video, get out your x and y, and then resume so you can check with mine. All right, so once you have solved by substitution, you should get a final answer of the eastbound train speed, or y, as 82.5 miles per hour, and the westbound train, 85.5 miles per hour. I hope this video helps some.